Hey there, in today's video we are going to create a smart home dashboard where you can monitor real-time temperature, humidity and energy consumptions. You will be able to control various devices, check the connectivity status and the Wi-Fi informations. We will also provide real-time energy consumption graph and the ability to monitor air conditioner temperatures. Additionally, you can connect an AP camera, and in the last section we will have a section to track high temperatures or humidity levels in the alarm table. For this project we will use an ESP32 simulator, and all the templates and files are available on GitHub. If you're interested, let's get started! Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to clone this repository from GitHub. I will leave the link in the video descriptions. So here in this repo, you will find all the files that you need to import into the ThingsBoard. And also you will find the code for programming our ESP32 device. So after do that, we should go to ThingsBoard, and you can see here I will use the ThingsBoard, the cloud version, but you could use the community version. I think that's no problem. So let me log in with GitHub, and then click on close these windows, and we should go to widget library and then widget bundles and import a new widget bundle. So if you download the repository, you will see there is a folder named widget bundle here in ThingsBoard folder. So just select this file and import. As you can see here, there is a new widget bundle called customs, and if we select one of them here, for example the first custom widget, click on edit, you will see here how they are constructed. Essentially there will like an Angular component with, you can edit the HTML sections or the JavaScript sections and also the CSS sections. And here you can see how it's work, and it's pretty good. So if you are interested in learning how to create these custom widgets, please comment below. Alright, so the next steps we're going to do is go to image gallery, and here let me import some image. So go to our repository, and here in the assets folder you will find all the necessary image. For example this, and also this, the speaker, and the last one, this image. Alright, after do that we should go to dashboard sections. So let me import a new dashboard here. So go to our ThingsBoard folder, and inside ThingsBoard folder you will find a dashboard, and here select the smart home file. Click on import and click on the smart home, and here as you can see there are some things that still need configuring because we haven't linked our dashboard to any device yet. So the next steps we are going to do is create a new device. Go to device section, and here I will add a new device. I will call it ESP32. Click on add and close the windows. So return to our dashboard and click in edit mode. So here I will select our device, ESP32, apply, and also here and also here, and the last one here. Okay, so we are gonna to test it if this custom widget is working okay. So in order to do that, I wanted to simulate my ESP32 in platform IO. So in order to do that, so you can copy and paste the main code from ESP32, and you have to replace these values for your device token or your ThingsBoard server. So let me do that. So this is my platform IO project. So I have to change this value. So let me return to our dashboard, ThingsBoard. Go to device, select the device, and copy the access token. And I will update this value here. I am using Walkway West Wi-Fi, and my ThingsBoard server is thingsboard.cloud. So let me save this change and try to build. Okay, and let me go to the diagram JSON. Also, this diagram you can find here in our repository. If you go to diagram JSON, you will find this JSON that you just need to copy and paste to your project. So let me simulate this. Our device is trying to connect to ThingsBoard with a token that I have already passed, and yeah, he's doing the telemetry for temperature and humidity. Okay, so let me check it here in our dashboard. All right, our custom widget is working well. So let me check, double check if I can try to change these values in order to see how change in our dashboard. For example, you can see here the temperature is 24. I will change to I don't know, this value. So you can see here is updating, and also I will change the humidity, and you will see also the humidity is changing in our dashboard. The value for the outdoor temperature is doing in ESP32 with random values, the same as well with energy use. So the only value that you can modify is temperature and humidity. But because this is a example, well, you can connect your own sensor and try to connect with your outdoor temperature, or maybe you with your sensor to measure the energy. All right, so the next step we are going to do is stop the simulations and return to our dashboard in ThingsBoard, and I wanted to see this custom widget working. So let me edit here, edit widget, and I will select a device that I already create. Click on applied, and also here, edit widget, click on applied, and save the changes. Okay guys, well, I wanna see this custom widget working as well. So you can see the image is broken, so I will try to fix it. And try to open the image gallery in the new tab, and here, as you can see, there are 4 images. So click on embed image and try to copy this URL. Copy the URL, go to ThingsBoard, click on edit mode, click on edit widget. I have to select the device ESP32. In appearance, remove this direction and copy the last one. Okay, apply change. Alright, it's working well. And do the same with the next one. So let me copy and paste this. Edit here. Select the device. Remove the image name. And paste it. Apply the change. The same here. Click on embed. Copy this. Select the device. And the last one. Select the device and update this URL. And save the changes. You can close this. And also we have to update the entity ID from our custom widget. So click on edit widget here in appearance. You will see a field name entity ID. So where is the entity ID from my sensor or from my device? So you can see if you go to the device, go to ESP32, you will see device ID. So copy this device ID, go to our dashboard, click again here in edit mode, edit widget, go to appearance and update. I will apply the changes as well here, paste it, and as well here. And the last one. Okay. And so I think we can test it in our simulator in platform IO. So let me open the simulator and I will try to run again. Start the simulator. So my device trying to connect to ThingsBoard and is sending some telemetry values. And you can see here, well, these values is generated with random values. And well, I wanna try if this device state is working well. So let me click here and let me put in here in the half of the windows. For the first sensor, I will try to connect, and you can see the change from our LED in our simulator is changing. So I will test the second one, third. So it's working well. And there are some points that we should fix it. For example, here this icon uh, should be changed the color if the device is connected, and also this icon should be bring the information from your Wi-Fi connections. So in order to do that, we have to create a new rule change. So let me stop the simulation, go to ThingsBoard again. Alright, so we should go to rule change, and if you open the first rule change, you will find this is the rule change by default, but we need the connect event and disconnect event in order to obtain that information. So let me return here and add a new rule change. Go to our repository. In the folder rule change, you will find there is a JSON file. So import here, and here we go. We have two events. One is from connect event and another from disconnect event. This when this happened, I will return a new message with a new type post attribute request. The same as well here. When disconnect event, I will return a new message with the type post attribute request. And if this is okay or is success, I will create, or well, I will save these attributes. So this is the only logical that you should add to your rule change. So let me apply change here, and let me return our dashboard. Alright guys, so I forgot one important thing here. We should mark it as a root our new rule change. So click on here and then return our dashboard, and here we are. So I will try to simulate again this with platform IO, and this color from this icon should be changed. So I will try to simulate this. I will put start the simulation and keep the attention here. You can see these icons change the color with when our device is connecting, and also you can see the Wi-Fi where our device is connecting and their signals. So well, so everything is okay, so we can continue with this one. So in order to see how it's work this custom component, so we need to add the entity ID. So again, go to this device, select our ESP32 and copy the device ID, and then go to the dashboard, open our dashboard and click in edit mode, click on edit widget. We will select our ESP32 as a device, go to appearance, and here copy our new entity ID, apply the changes and save. Okay, let me try to simulate this custom widget, how it's work. So I will go to our simulator and I will put in here our widget components. So I will start the simulation here. Our device ESP32 is connecting to ThingsBoard and then is sending some telemetry values as temperature and humidity, and try to bring the state from all the device. Okay, we already have this state, and then if I try to change stay for the device number 5, that it is. You can see the state from this LED is changes as well if I change to off. Okay, and I will try to make this modification. You can see how when I change in our dashboard, our device receives the information and bring that information in the LCD screen. So great, everything is okay. So let me stop the simulation and we will continue configuring the another things here. Alright, so let's talk about this hiding camera widget. So this is a APCam viewer. So if I turn on this, you will see APCam in real time, like this. And if you don't know how it's work, we are using this service as an example. So if you go to DAS application, you will see how it's work. For example, here you can connect your IP camera to this server, and then this server will streamer to another viewers. So for example, here there is another AP cam free, and let's do this. I will try to change this. So I will copy this URL into my widget. So in order to do that, I will go to widget library, and here in customs, here in camera viewer, and here you can see this is the source from our viewer. So if you put in here your URL and save the changes, go again to our dashboard, turn off this widget, you will see this new IP cam. So it's pretty good. Anyways, you can use your own IP cam service, but because this is like an example, you can connect wherever you want. All right. Okay guys, so let's talk about our last widget, alarms. So this is a normal widget, there is not a custom widget. That means you can find in here, if you go to edit mode and add widget, you can find from here in alarm widgets bundle. So the only thing that we will do is try to configure this to our device. So in order to do that, if you go to our device here, you will find that we are using the device profile. So go to the device profile and I will configure some alarms rules. So click on edit here. For example, the one will be high temperature, and I will add some condition here. For example, I will check in the temp indoor key value, and if the temperature is greater than, for example, 35, it should be triggered. And also I will add another alarm here, for example, high humidity. I will search the humidity key, and then if this is more than, I don't know, 33, this warning should appear. Okay, so right now we have these two values, or these two alarms, And in order to test it, go to our dashboard. Before to test it, please make sure that in this widget you are selecting the ESP32 device. So you can review, click on edit mode, click on edit widget, and here in type device, the device ESP32 should be selected. Okay, so after do that, we are able to do the simulation. So let me put in here, and I will start the simulations. So I will put the temperature to 24 and the humidity to 24. And if you remember, if the temperature is more than 35, uh, the alarms here should be appear. So let's try it. Alright, so you can see here there is one alarm from ESP32. The type is high temperature and the severity is critical. And also, if I change the humidity more than 33, so here should be appear one alarm. Alright, so the originator is ESP32, the type is the high humidity, and this alarm is a warning type. So, okay, so that's all. That's all for today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, please help me out by liking the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next time. Bye.